And then we had the opportunity to say, you bet me, say bye bye, your journey, your core, Asia. So eventually, we had to lock horns with South Korea and said Zubakayano. It was an improved game based on your first game the Kirin competition. There were some players almost started in the first game. This time round, you're proud to the game. You say, you're injured. Per the report, the free technical team ni oba. Meche Semenyo, meche Salisu. Enti obi biara ye Ghana ni biara no the journey to Asia. Yenya ye formidable boys. Yenya ye resolute guys. Biti say Kudus, biti say Ayu. Any other likes Altimiamba. Not these two prominent figures. Yedi omako competition mu. Ne yeba last game. Ne yesa lusu omo due to injury there. Oh ye Black Star supporter. You might think say the opposite OSS team, you know, you will not be able to get it. But Eugene, and a totally new players are the opportunity say omujina Ghana Frank and no more defend it. Even though we lost Eugene, but we were not a disgraceful side because we were able to score about 2 goals, even though they are disallowed, because our goalkeeper gave glimpses of reliability. The Intima maker say, who is the argument? Say Benjamin Asari, NAA number 1 spotter. The doubts were many, but you could see say, wow, that's what doubts about Benjamin Asari no. Actually, say be no personal issues based on qualities of a goalkeeper. There, he is proving himself to be the country's number 1. Even though some should say, yama other goalkeepers the opportunities is also showcase there, but with the line and the progress, Benjamin Asari and Nemuno. It will be very difficult and it's going to be a task for any goalkeeper or joining the competition with the Black Stars. So you just said okay, you know, even though say new guys, even though say we lost, the positives are many as a country. I am building upon the positives ahead of the World Cup. Eugene, Medika say we are unlike other countries or more qualify for the AFCON, no matter qualify for the World Cup. Ideally, such countries, you see the AFCON, because AFCON they say the competition level, the robust level near high. And those countries who would use the AFCON participation to condition team ahead of the Mundial. We as Omai, we failed to qualify for the AFCON. Inti mekase any game it serves as our AFCON and it serves as our preparatory game for the World Cup. So this is one of those games boy, and indeed said the men no said we lost Salisu and Semenyo at the last end, but these guys came and they fought. I think say kudos to them. Or more at me are returning back to their country. Even though so lose there, but Eugene, they've proven say your reliable players no stay away due to injuries, due to cash accumulation. Not yet resulting on these players they'll be able to do much better. But Eugene, single-handedly, Mamemo Kelebrin Chiabaso for these 2 games I have Jinem against the Asian outfit. He has exhibited quality as a player. When we say this is a player, Eugene, we think say and I say there is a school of thought say born out of position due to the squad depth or midfield. But Eugene, he has proven so what the midfielder, he counts himself as a great player. So also now they call the improvised position which is the right backer. He continues to excel. I mean, I said we don't have to look for a right back. So I think that single-handedly, me bought Kelebrin Chiaba. So best mark say on first starting lineup so. those boys now and the omulidi lines na my no my ade papa Eugene Prince Kwabena Edu and Prince Usu. The stage and the competition was very demanding. When we said prior to this game, our coach outlined the opponent and our catcher said this is one of the games that Susu said is going to be very tough. But with these guys likely or debut appearances in Eugene, you could see say the opportunity na ye grumi among kakra, especially Prince Gwabno Eduno. There is going to be someone say Samanyoniwa will be able to rely upon. Say Inakiniwa will be able to rely upon. So I think that we've lost. Ideally, it's a game where they condition yourself. Ebani is saying that you don't always have to rely on the score line. You have to rely on things that comes on board when engaging in friendly games. So I think the boys, they've lost, but they were not disgraceful. So the was a technical team no from now till say you be ready for the Mundial no Eugene. Omo condition yourself very well. So they be say you go jinamo e Mundial na yengu ye ho animasi. Now me